Picture a kitchen where golden, crispy fries and tender rotisserie chicken come together without a drop of oil, where family meals are ready in record time, and cleanup is effortless. Sounds like a dream? Meet the Nuwave Brio 15.5 Quart 10-in-1 Air Fryer Rotisserie Oven, a powerhouse that's revolutionizing home cooking for busy families, health-conscious foodies, and culinary enthusiasts. More than just an air fryer, this 10-in-1 marvel air fries, roasts, bakes, dehydrates, and beyond, delivering restaurant-quality results at home. Why the Nuwave Brio shines? In a crowded air fryer market, the Nuwave Brio 15.5 Quart stands tall with its XL family-sized capacity, versatile 10-in-1 functionality, and health-focused design. Powered by 1800 watts, it handles everything from weeknight dinners for 6 to game night feasts with ease. Its advanced turbo-convection technology ensures even cooking, crispy exteriors, and juicy interiors without the grease. With 100 pre-programmed presets and 50 customizable memory slots, it's like having a personal chef. Let's unpack why this air fryer is a kitchen essential. Solving everyday cooking woes. Struggling with soggy fries, uneven roasts, or the guilt of fried foods? The Nuwave Brio has you covered. Its 6-blade, 5-inch convection fan and bottom heating tubes create cyclonic airflow that cooks food up to 3 times faster than a traditional oven, while using up to 75% less oil. Say goodbye to greasy messes and calorie overload. The integrated smart thermometer eliminates guesswork, auto-stopping when your food hits the perfect internal temperature. With a 15.5 quart capacity, you can cook a 5-pound whole chicken, 3 pounds of fries, or 20 chicken wings in one go, ideal for family dinners or gatherings. The Nuwave Brio isn't just an air fryer, it's a multitasking marvel. Here's what sets it apart: 10-in-1 versatility. Air fry, roast, broil, bake, reheat, dehydrate, defrost, grill, warm, and proof dough. From wings to jerky, it does it all. Large 15.5 quart capacity. Fits a 5-pound chicken, 8-inch pizza, or 2 pounds of wings, perfect for families or entertaining. Turbo convection technology. 1800 watt power with a 6-blade fan ensures even, extra crispy results, no flipping needed. Smart thermometer. Monitors internal food temperature and auto-stops for perfect doneness. 100 presets plus 50 memory slots. 1-touch presets for steak to veggies, plus customizable slots for your recipes. Precise digital controls. Adjust temperatures from 50 degrees Fahrenheit to 425 degrees Fahrenheit in 5-degree Fahrenheit increments, tweaking on the fly. Dishwasher-safe parts, non-stick racks, trays, and accessories make cleanup a breeze. Healthy cooking, superheated air cuts, fat and calories, delivering fried food flavor guilt-free. Real-world performance, crispy, juicy, fast. I tested the Nuwave Brio with various dishes, and it exceeded expectations. First, a 5.5-pound rotisserie chicken. Using the included rotisserie basket and skewer kit, I seasoned the bird, set the smart thermometer to 165 degrees Fahrenheit, and let the Brio do its thing. In 45 minutes, the chicken was golden, juicy, and fall-off-the-bone tender, better than any deli roast. Next, French fries. No oil, just salt. The result? Crispy, golden fries in 20 minutes with 0 grease. Even dehydrated apple slices came out perfectly chewy after 8 hours at 105 degrees Fahrenheit, showcasing its dehydrator skills. The digital controls are intuitive, letting me adjust temperatures mid-cook without pausing. The viewable window and interior light made monitoring easy, and the dishwasher-safe parts meant cleanup took under 5 minutes. My only critique? Its size, 15.5 inches wide, 17 inches tall, requires counter space, so measure your kitchen first. Who's it for? The Nuwave Brio is ideal for busy families, cook large, healthy meals quickly for 4 to 8 people. Health-conscious cooks enjoy fried foods with less oil and fewer calories. Party hosts impress guests with rotisserie roasts or crispy appetizers. Culinary experimenters explore baking, dehydrating, and proofing with ease. Pros and cons. Pros: massive 15.5 quart capacity for family-sized meals. 10-in-1 functionality replaces multiple appliances. Crispy, healthy results with minimal oil. User-friendly presets and customizable recipes. Easy cleanup with dishwasher-safe parts. Cons: large footprint needs ample counter space. Rotisserie basket can be tricky for beginners. Higher price than smaller air fryers, but worth it for features. Why choose the Nuwave Brio? The Nuwave Brio 15.5 Quart 10-in-1 Air Fryer Rotisserie Oven is more than an appliance. It's a lifestyle upgrade. It saves time, promotes healthier eating, and unlocks endless culinary possibilities. Whether you're a novice or a seasoned chef, its versatility, precision, and capacity make it a smart investment. If you enjoyed this review, like the video and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews.